Hello everyone, my name is Aleph, I'm from Brazil. I don't have a good English, but how you saw in the title's video, I gonna teach you how download and install the Elementor Pro free. Yes, the Elementor Pro free. So in the description's video have a link, and this link redirect to the download pages of the Elementor Pro. So let's click in this icon. I'm wait. So the download is started and the download is finished. So let's in the dashboard of the WordPress and the plugin pages WordPress and add the new. So if you don't have the Elementor free install, you need to install the Elementor free first. So let's install the Elementor free. Click in install now and activate it. So the Elementor free is activated, and now we're gonna install the Elementor Pro. So click again in add the new, upload the plugin, choose a file and select the Elementor Pro.zip. So and click in install now. So activate the plugin. Yes, the Elementor Pro is activated. We're gonna test in some page. Let's create a page, add the new, and click in edit with Elementor. So this is Obera. This is the widgets from the Elementor Pro. So let's try put a widget. So select Axuture. I select this. So I will put the login. So the login is RAM. We'll put other animated red line. So the Elementor Pro is activated and the Elementor Pro is run. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. So see you soon.